Hello, this is Eric Redjet 505. Look what finally decided to come to our shop. This is the new Arrma INFRACTION Mega. Everything that Mega, it means that it's brushed electric, usually arrived with battery and a charger. So it's a very cool infraction. It's not big as the original one. The original infraction was 1/7 scale. This is supposedly a 1/10 scale, but it's the size of a 1/8 scale. So it's kind of funny how they're setting stuff up, but you always have to pay attention to the details. Let's call it a 1/8 scale. Also that they call it 1/10, whatever. 4-wheel drive, ready to run, pretty cool. You have over here top slider, you have the brake support, and you have this invisible rear spoiler over here. And when you remove this, it's actually pretty nice inside, and it's all silver. And then you got that. The car itself, the frame is very simple. It's the same one that you find in the, I think, in the Arrma Typhon and all the Arrma, all the different Arrma 3S and the Megas. And what different is, it's right here, the wheels and all the other setup that they made for this. And now those cars available at our shop at Motor Styles, and they are inexpensive. They are $319 ready to run. And when you come here right now, because we are moving, we're gonna give it to you even for a better price. So come and see us. We're here until December 1st, so even a little bit before we're gonna end up moving. 17540 Chatsworth Street. We have both color for this, so whenever you're ready, come and pick up one before we move. You get a better price, and this is gonna be a big hit when you actually change the 550 motor to a brushless motor, and it's actually gonna fly. You change those wheels. Those wheels are off-road and on-road, so it's gonna be actually pretty cool. See you in my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and write a comment below. I know there's one guy, I don't want to mention his name, because he's on a wheelchair, that keep giving me thumb downs all the time, and he knows who he is. So please keep giving me your thumb down. I know that you're watching my videos. I know that you like to put the thumb downs, like if you think that you ruined my day, but I love the fact that you keep watching my video and give me this attention and writing all those bad comments. I really absolutely love it that you actually invest in the time in me. So please put your thumb down over there. Don't forget it. It's helped some guy over there. See you on my next video. And if you need anything, if you need any discount whenever you buy something, always talk to us in person. It's always help, and we can help you up. Bye.